Sochi obviously is not the biggest city in Russia, but it does certainly help our Russian business, much like Beijing did and for China. It gives a platform for the country to showcase and focus on what they're doing, and that also helps us with our business and starts to communicate. So we use those platforms really to kind of spread out around the country and start to develop our business around the country, and we have some great growth opportunity in Russia, and the business is doing well now. This provides us a great growth opportunity. We use the Olympics Association really to drive our brand health. It's not about necessarily sales or transactions. We're not counting how many burgers or fries we sell. It's really about brand health and the association of what we're doing as how we tie into the communities, all the way down from whether you want to bring it from a global, down to a national, down to a local, down to an individual in a town. It's really about the formation of brand health and what the Olympics ideals represent and how we associate with those to make sure that our customers understand that we're giving back to the communities that we serve. This is a decision that was made to host in Sochi in 2007. This controversy really has come about in the last 6 months. So our investment and our support is well gone, and so we really are there to support the athletes and make sure, particularly on the U.S. level, because there is no direct funding to the U.S. athletes and from the government. So they rely on our support and our sponsorship dollars. So that's what we really focus on. Our consumers, while we understand they all may not agree, and that's certainly their prerogative, but our mission really is to make sure that we do not penalize the U.S. athletes. We try to keep the politics out of it, and we really just try to focus on sport. We're not here to politicize it. We're here to really use it and promote the awareness of the games and the athletes themselves and the excellence that they're providing, and so we try to keep it at that level.